Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add the processing speed button to the quick settings menu on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, then swipe down at the top with two fingers, and then in the quick settings panel, tap on the menu key at the top and tap on edit buttons. In here, swipe across and find processing speed. Touch and hold on processing speed icon and drag it down into the quick settings menu. Place them at the position where you want it and let go. Now tap on the done button to finish, and once it is there you can tap on the button to toggle between on and off. And in here you can set processing speed to maximum, hide, or optimize. And that's it. So in here we can just simply tap on it to switch it off or turn on processing speed. And if I swipe down, you can see on the status here, it gives us an icon, processing speed icon, to indicate it is at the moment switch on. So we can tap on it to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.